Cindy, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk you through the 5 hottest accessories for autumn winter 2025. I'm based in England and at the moment is 20 degrees, so it's in that in-between season, but autumn definitely is coming upon us imminently. So I think it is a good time for me to give you a little update and sharing my view of the hottest accessories for this coming season. And there are 5 types I'm going to go through with you today. So without further ado, let's dive into it. And foremost, the first and is my absolute favorite and is the long cord pendant necklace. I've done a video at the beginning of the year. I showed you how to customize your own long pendant necklace using different things. So if you haven't watched the video, and watch it, and I'm going to put it in the description box so you can have a watch, and there's loads of good tips in there, and then I hope it's useful to you. So this long cord pendant necklace has been almost all the fashionistas you can see if you're on Instagram. Almost everyone is wearing them in different forms and shapes. This one is a Maui one from MAWI. This is a very funky and avant-garde design, I could say that, and from very utility and military with all these hard edges, and this is their signature style. And this is from years ago, and probably at least 15 years ago, I would say, probably even more than that. But anyhow, you can take my word for it, is that this is definitely coming back in a major way. And you can see my outfit shorts, and I wear this long pendant necklace quite a lot. I'm just wearing this linen jumper from Massimo Dutti. This is about 3 years old, and this is the OBY little silver necklace. And then if I just put this on, and then it just elevates the jumper, just adds a little bit more dimension, make it just a white jumper looking a lot less boring, let's say. There are so many different styles and shapes, and like this one, this is the one I recently got. This is I got from Amazon. This is so cheap. This is less than £10. And just search for it and get something, just whatever you like. Either the pendant is have 2 embellishments here, 2 pendants here, or you can just get a little one disc shaped. And it's better that you can get one that can be adjusted, because when it can be adjusted, you can wear it long or short, so make that necklace is more versatile. So if I'm going to put this one on, you can see that I can wear this is quite short, because I can alter the length of this with this adjustable cord. This is synthetic cord, it's not leather, and this is just basically plastic. You can see it's not metal, there's not much weight in it. And the black bit is, I think, it's a piece of wood, but I'm not sure what it is. But it looks quite expensive, even though it doesn't cost too much. Quite like this look, and it's one of those very versatile items. You can wear this over t-shirts, you can wear this over jumper, roll neck jumper, and you can wear this over shirts. Such a versatile item, especially for winter. If you always wear this tiny bit of jewelry, and when you wear a jumper, they just disappear into the jumper. But if you wear something like a statement piece like this, and they just lift things up and make it a little bit more funky and update and bring it to the current season. The next very hottest item, which are resin bangles. And I have 4 here. You can see there's in different colors. This one is amber, sort of a looking, brown looking. And this one is very opal, like a pale amber. And this one is like white with this yellow brown looking grains. And then finally this one is just like mainly just black. So you can see that I'm wearing 4 of them, but I think usually you either wear 1 or 3 or maybe 2, but I don't know. It's some people wear so many of them. I think they look so funky. So this is something that has been coming back since the summer. I think it's going to go really huge in the winter. Again, sometimes in the winter, if you wear something like a plain jumper, you can just wear it, or a t-shirt, you can just wear it. It just adds a little bit of that cool edge to a somehow quite plain outfit. And this is quite a retro item, and I had quite a few, a couple of really big gold ones and a couple of wood ones, but I sold them. They were from my queen. I wish I haven't really sold them, but now I'm regretting a little bit. These ones you can get from Temu, you can get from Amazon, you can get from loads of high street stores. They're not very expensive, and just get something like, you know, very versatile, basic, like a color palette, for example, black, white and brown, because brown is a huge color in the current season and the season coming up, autumn, winter. So you can wear these with loads of different outfits. Is an item that I highly recommend, that maybe you can invest into something, can get something expensive, for something like on Net-a-Porter. They have some really nice ones, but at the moment I'm just not going to invest into these things. But I have been looking up, they had a couple of Chanel ones, again black and white, and Hermes has wood versions, and so I might get myself a nicer one. So because I do like this style, you can see that this is many years ago, this is quite popular, but now it's coming back. So this statement bangles, statement necklace, they're all coming back. I don't know why. These ones used to be popular in the same era, and now 15 years later they all coming back again, becomes a trendy item. So I think fashion is something that if you really love something, you keep it, and then guaranteed that 10 or 15 years later they will come back. People do say that 11 years is the cycle, but more or less around that time it will come back. So you can see that if I'm wearing this cream ivory colored jumper, and then you can see black and white, and it goes quite well. I always love something black and white, and this is also silver and black. Whatever the color, when it's in harmony, it just makes the outfit looks more expensive. And moving on, the next huge trendy item is going to be the triangle scarf. Triangle scarf has been popular last year. I've done a video about this, and I think this coming autumn winter and is going to be carry on with its popularity. And so it's just something so versatile, and you can just tie it around the neck. On a not so cold day, you don't really need a massive scarf to keep us warm, but it's something like this just adds that little bit of dimension with this little two ends dangling. I think it's really cute if you wear a coat or mac, or if you just wear a collarless jacket, or sometimes if you just wear a thicker jumper or cardigan and just put that on, and then it just gives that little bit more dimension. It just instantly elevates the look and make it a little bit more fun and more fashion forward. And also, because of the popularity with people tying a silk scarf around the waist, and this one is the right size that it can be also tied around the waist. So this, in the winter, if you want to wear, for example, a love knit dress, if you feel the knit dress is a bit too clingy around the tummy, and you can just wrap this around, cover the tummy area, give that little bit of diagonal dimension, that loot the illusion that you think you have a bigger tummy, but by diagonal shape, it will make us look more flattering, make us feel more confident, and also more fashion forward. So you will see me wear this a lot around my neck, around my waist. So another thing is, because silk scarves are very popular and animal print is going to be huge again, so it's not going to something like it came and went and then it's going to die off. So if you want to invest into something like a silk scarf and maybe get yourself an animal print, and it is so versatile, again, like the triangle scarf here, you can tie it around your neck. You can see it goes really nice with cream color, goes with really black color. I think animal print is a neutral. I treat it as a neutral. So I did a video again last year, how to wear leopard. I've done this outfit with top to toe leopard, but it's just something that just wear it, don't be scared of it. And you can wear this around the waist. If you wear something brown, just lift it up a little bit, or you can just wear it around the head, you can wear it around the neck, just play with it. And this triangle scarf trend is worth for you to invest in. If you didn't invest in from last year, but this year it's definitely going to be popular, and it's going to be like one of those, just removes us from those traditional scarf, and it just adds a little bit of fun to your existing scarf collection. And next trend I noticed is going to be coming back huge is that really wide statement belts. So this one I got from years ago. This is from Jaeger, and I got this from Regent Street. They used to have a boutique on the Regent Street in London, but that boutique has disappeared. I think now it is a Mulberry store. I love this buckle, and it's almost like a Chanel. About this years ago, you can see this belt is more than 10 years old. Have that little Jaeger embossed on the pin, and it hasn't really tarnished. It still looks very beautiful, and the leather is really thick. So you will see loads of people wear statement belts. I think it's going to be really huge this coming season, and is instantly elevates a look. You can wear this over jackets, jumpers, cardigans and coats, and also like this kimono sort of tie thing. You tie this around the waist, and then you tie this knot at the front, so it becomes like a sort of kimono sort of a belt. And also double toed belt is going to be really huge. It's on the screen that Max Mara, you can see from the runway, it's just like lots of, almost every outfit, they have this statement belt, like double toed. So one long belt, double toe. Unfortunately, I don't have a double toe, a long belt like that, but maybe I'll get one. But however, if you have something similar, in a similar width, but ideally would it be two slightly medium size, 3 centimeter wide, two belts, you can just do it together. And if you wear an outfit, for example, a brown coat with black trousers, or it just happens you have a brown belt and a black belt in a very similar size, the buckle size are very similar as well, why don't you just wear 2 belts at the same time? So it saves you to buy a new belt that fits that purpose. So there's loads of ways to play with it with whatever you have, and then to meet that trend. This belt thing, it makes us look very elegant because they're cinched in waist and it elongates the legs and they give us more definition around the waist area, and it is so feminine and so soft. And then again, this can be worn over so many things like coats, jackets, cardigans, like I've said earlier, and knit dresses. And if you haven't watched my how to wear knit dresses, and I can attach the video on the screen and in the description box so you can give a quick watch. And so there is something that to be considered. Or if you already have belts like this, and you can bring them out and then start to wear them. Maybe now I'm talking about it, maybe I can do a video and outfits wearing these wide belts. Please leave a comment, let me know if you'd like me to do a video about how to wear wide and statement belts or double-toed belts, and then let me know. I'll consider and think about, I have to plan, because outfit videos takes forever to film, and also editing is very time consuming. So if you do want me to do a video, please leave a comment and let me know. And so this is the statement belts. Is the 4th huge accessory trend is going to blow up this coming season. Finally, and last but not the least, is my most favorite and most necessary and most cozy item. I would say that I always wear this item, and no matter the weather. And so they are sunglasses. Sunglasses are getting bigger and bigger. So this season is going to be huge with this aviator shaped goggle and really massive oversized statement sunglasses. And you can see this one is like a turtle shell, and they have these wide arms here, and it's a semi-translucent turtle shell, and with this aviator and flat bridge over here. Or if you want to opt for something like a brown tone, because brown is going to be a huge color, and you want maybe the sunglasses to match your outfit as well, so you have a brown tinted lenses with black frame. So this is something that I've been having since last year, and I love these because these ones are just so versatile. This is one of my most favorite pair of sunglasses since I've got it since last year, and you can see that it just quite flattering. This one is not too huge because my face is quite wide. On some girls, if you have a smaller faces, this pair would look really big on them. But I think this is a good happy medium for me. It's not too small. Chanel sunglasses is one of the things that I don't have any pair of Chanel sunglasses because they tend to quite narrow, and for me, I have such a wide face, it just doesn't really suit me. And so because brown is a huge color this year, and I've said that, and animal prints is going to be staying on trend, and the bangles, maybe you can invest into a pair of brown tinted sunglasses in a statement style. If I do not wear a pair of sunglasses, I just don't feel that my outfit is complete. So I always feel like I am more confident to wear a pair of sunglasses. I don't know why. Maybe it's the UK weather, because in the winter it's always grey with the slightest sunshine out. Squinting like this, I just like I can't see. So as soon as I put my sunglasses on, at least I can see properly. I don't have to squint like that, and then to encourage profits around my eyes. So that's why another major reason that I always love a pair of sunglasses. Sometimes if you get a pair of this one, the lenses are quite translucent. You can wear this even indoors. Maybe you can get a pair that is those ones they can change shade inside and out. Inside it's just like a pair of specs, and outside they can change to a darker tint, so therefore become sunglasses. I do have a pair from Gucci, and I will wear that in the winter. I use that as my goggles. And so it is something that you can consider. Maybe get a pair of sunglasses like this, and to update the looks, because I think if your aesthetic is quite luxury or even a clean fit and that understated look, and then you put a pair of statement sunglasses, straight away that lifts your look, elevates your look even further, and make you like, oh, you are the fashionista. You are the fashion forward and very trendy. So I'm not sure whether trendy is a good word, but I think I like trendy. If you want to update a look, accessories is the best thing, because it doesn't matter. For this necklace, you don't have to get so many of them. Maybe you just have 2 of them, swapping them around. And then you can wear that with any jumper, any tops, t-shirts. With this pair of sunglasses, you can wear with any outfits. And the belt does the same, the scarf does the same, as long as you get a neutral tone. But sometimes little red one still looks really cute in the winter, just give that pop of color and it looks really pretty. I think I'm going to get myself a red one for the little triangle scarf. So just play with it and then to see how it goes. So statement sunglasses. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video today, allowing me to take you through the 5 hottest accessories for autumn winter 2025, and from the long cord necklace to statement bangles and to triangle scarves and to statement belts and statement sunglasses. I hope my video is useful and to give you some idea on what accessories, if you want to get yourself some new ones to update your accessories collection, and also play with your existing accessories collection to see how they work with your outfits. So please let me know which is your favorite type of accessory, and leave a comment below, and don't forget to give my video a like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and switch on that little bell button so you won't miss any of my new videos on fashion, bags, shoes, accessories, jewelry, and all fashion related topics. And thank you so much for tuning in. Until my next video, I'll see you then. Bye for now. Bye. Take care.